the comfort in. And we have a service or like a backside elevator type of deal. It's gonna be a quick ride because it's pretty similar to the passenger or the main elevators, except it's just a single bank of one and it's not scenic. Oh look, these are Schaefer buttons there, I think. Hard to tell. Those are Schaefer, Dewhurst, something. Actually, no, I was on the 5th floor, I think. I know I started the video on 6, but I actually came up this elevator before to get a picture of the panel, and I started on 5, so that's where I want to head back to. Maybe not. 1,000 kilograms. I don't think it is this floor because for me it opened on that side. All right, back down to 5A. Is there call cancel? I don't even know. Feels like if you just spam the button enough, the call goes away. Strange. Anyway, that is all.